Did you know you can earn money while you sleep? No experience needed, no showing your face, and yes, you can start today. Sounds unreal? Then listen closely for the next few minutes. So, what exactly is passive income? It's when you build something once and it keeps paying you day after day without trading time for money. It could be a system, a piece of content, or an automated platform. Here are 3 beginner-friendly methods to set up real passive income. Automated YouTube channel, create videos using AI voiceovers and tools like Canva or Pictory. Focus on a niche like facts, stories, or finance tips. With the right keywords and consistent posting, your channel can generate views and income while you sleep. Evergreen digital products, write an ebook, create a guide, or record a short course about something simple you know, like budgeting tips, healthy recipes, or productivity hacks. Platforms like Gumroad or Hotmart handle sales and delivery automatically. Affiliate SEO blog, start a blog with evergreen articles like how to save money or best side hustle apps. Add affiliate links and earn every time someone clicks or buys. With time, your blog becomes a 24/7 sales machine that runs without you. Most people never build passive income because they wait until they feel ready. But the truth is, you become ready by starting. Messy, uncertain, imperfect. What you build today could fund your freedom tomorrow. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need a big audience. You just need to start. Passive income isn't a dream, it's a system. And systems can be built by anyone. Subscribe if you want clear, actionable strategies to build passive income from scratch. I break it down every week with real tools, real results, and zero fluff.